Hi everybody, I am back. Last video was a couple months ago in August. We talked about term life, and just a recap. Term is usually for a term. It's 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20, 25, even 30-year term. Term is usually bought because of the affordability of it. Most people can actually pay for it, and they want a lot of coverage for a little amount of money. But the sad part about term, it will terminate. So unfortunately, you can have it, you're all young, you're 20, 30 years old, now you're 60, and your policy is now ended, and you're still alive. And you will not get none of that money back. So, unless you had a conversion option, and again, that's a whole nother story, another day. But that takes us into whole life. So whole life is good for your entire life. You can get it at 30 and for $30, and that's just hypothetical because most likely you probably won't be paying that at 30, but you never know how much coverage they might want to get. But in other words, $30 when you're 60, and then you could be 90, and that same policy would be $30. So in essence, it never ever went up on the premium. The premium stays the same, the benefit stays the same. So it's the safest bet when you're buying life insurance. So now, another benefit of whole life is basically you will get a cash component. So it will build cash usually at a rate at this time in age, this day and age, should I say, you'll get a 4% on return on your policy. The first couple of years you never really see any money growing, but usually after the on the third, fourth year you start to see a little bit of money growing. The more the bigger the death benefit, the more you'll see growth on that policy. Again, it's just another way to buy insurance, and it's a safe way to buy it. Also, whole life, as long as you never get a loan on it, again, you'll have the same death benefit and your premium will always be the same. But you got to be able to keep it in force by paying it on time. I do not recommend any loans against a policy. And I can probably do a video on that as well to kind of educate people more on that, the pros and the cons. But I've seen way more cons about doing that than you actually getting the pros on it, to be honest. All right, but if you're educated on it, there's ways to make it a great thing. I always tell everybody to get life insurance. Life insurance is not for you, but it's for your loved ones. GoFundMe is not an option. It shouldn't even be looked at as an option. You should always try to consult with somebody who knows about life insurance, the different types of life insurance. Somebody who's here to help you and not to sell you. If you're interested and have any more questions, please call me at 404-399-9169, area code 404-399-9169. I'm licensed in several states. And I also can be contacted at CM, the number 1, and the word producer at gmail.com. CM, number 1 producer at gmail.com. All right. God bless you. Hope to hear from you soon.